Next, we're gonna design the website to make it look like our own. Um, so once you're on the website, you want to log in and go to the dashboard, and I want to go to Appearance, Themes, and I'm gonna switch the theme from 2017 to 2015. I'll hit Activate, and the theme has been activated. Right here, here's the success message. Let's go ahead and click on that and check our website. So this is the website that I'm gonna be working with. Let's go ahead and do the articles first. Under Post, I'll click Add New. And then I'll pull up my articles that I had prepared. I'll copy the text, and I'm going to paste it into this box. And before I do that, I'm going to switch it to text, and then I'll hit Paste. Then I'll go in and correct the spacing. This is the header. For that particular paragraph or section of the text. And this is the title. I'll copy the title, and I'm going to paste it up here. Now I'm going to switch to visual so I can take a look at it. Now this title right here, I want to wrap them into a header, so they'll be a little bit bigger. And to do that, I just highlight the text and then select the header that I want to use. For the text that's inside the content box, inside the article right here, I like using the H3. And that's for SEO purposes. And after I have this set up, I'm going to scroll down to the right, and I'll select a category for it. And this is why teaching kids self-defense won't turn them into bullies. So under categories, I'll click Add New Category, and then I'll put Kids MMA, or I'll just leave it at Kids. And then I'll select Add New Category. And under tags, you wanna put in some keywords that relate to the article: kids, self defense, MMA, teamwork, martial arts. See what other communication, focus. So once I have 6 of them, or you know what, if you could do 7 between 7 and 8, that would be good. I'm gonna include bullying also. Oops. Bully. And after I add the tags, I'll go to the featured image. I'll click on that link right here. Then I'll select Upload Files and select Files. Then I'll go to my file where the articles are stored. And I have the image prepared here, so I'm going to select the image and I'll upload it. And that's the wrong image, but let's go ahead and pick a different one. Should be here. Nope. Hopefully it's here. Here it goes. And I want to remove the dashes in the title for the image. I'll switch them from dashes to spacebar to space. and I'll copy the title, and then I'm going to paste it here in the alt text. Then I'll hit set featured image, and here it goes. It pops up right here. So after the featured image is added, the text has been added, my tags, the category, I'll hit publish. And I'm going to open it up to see what it looks like. Here it is right here. So it looks pretty good, and the text is here. Here's all the information, and here's the comment box. And this is another post that I need to delete, but let's go into editing the rest of the website. So I'll close out this tab. Now, first thing I'm going to do is switch up the permalink right here, this URL. I don't want these numbers to show up. So for that, I'll go under settings, and then at the very bottom one, I'll click permalinks. And under common settings, I'll select post name, and then I'll hit save changes. And that'll change the post URL. So you see the numbers aren't there no more. Next, let's go to all posts again, and we'll go ahead and delete this one right here. Trash. Alright. Now let's go ahead and open up a new tab and check out the website. So right here, I'm gonna switch the title right here. To do that, let's go into the dashboard, click on settings, general, and under site title, we'll put in the title of the site, My Alliance MMA Gym. And for the tagline, put a tagline that says, "Sign up today for your 30-day free trial." Or let's switch it up, for your free 30-day trial. And I'll put explanation. Then I'll hit save changes. I'm going to go back to the tab with the website and reload it. So here's the title, My Alliance MMA Gym. And then here's the tagline, sign up today for your free 30-day trial. And this is the home page. So you see it has, on the home page, I don't want the whole article to show up. So what I'll do is I'll click into the article, then click edit post. Only want a summary to show up. So to do that, I just want this part to show. So after this right here, I'll select the insert read more tag. And this is under the visual. This is what it looks like with the text. I want to select the visual. Make sure the cursor's out after this, and then I'll hit this button right here. Insert read more tag. Then I'll update it. Then we'll go back to the home page of the website and take a look at how it looks. So see right here, it says continue reading. Right after I did that, I want to make this look a little bit better, so go back into the edit post section, and I'm going to hit a space right here. Then I'll update it and go back to the home page, and now we can see there's a space, so it looks a little bit better. And that's what we're looking for. So once we click into this, it'll take us to the page with the rest of the text, and where people could leave a comment or reply. The next thing I'm going to do is clean up this sidebar and remove all the content we don't need. I'll hover over this text right here, and then I'll on the drop down I'll click on. You just go into the dashboard, and go under Appearance, and then click Widgets. I'll keep the search bar in there. The recent posts will stay in there too. I don't want the comments in there. You could keep them in there, but I don't want it taking up space. The archives also, I'm going to remove that. I'll leave the categories, and I'll also remove the meta. Now let's go back to the website and take a look at it. See, it's a little bit cleaner now. And next thing I'll do is I'm going to remove this part right here. That's the footer section of the website. So to do that, I'll go into, let's go into Customize, and it doesn't, see right here, it doesn't let me edit it. So what I'm gonna click out of this, and let's go ahead and edit it directly into the editor. So under Appearance, I'll click on Editor, and on the right hand side, I'll scroll down to where it says Theme Footer. It looks kind of complicated, but if you just go to where it says this link right here, we'll change this, highlight it all. Well, let's see where it works. So here are the quote brackets that contain the link. So I'm gonna delete this one right here. So once the first quote starts, I'll highlight all the text in between. Here's the second quote. I'll delete that, and then I'll just put a little / in there. And in between these two brackets right here, I'll select everything in between the A tags, select delete, and then I'll just put the name of my website. You could do copyright 2017 My Alliance MMA Gym. Then I'll update the file, and let's go outside and check it out, see what it looks like. Here it is right here, copyright 2017 My Alliance MMA Gym, and this just links to the home page. The categories page, if you click on kids, you see the category kids, and it filters out the blog post to where only the posts that are categorized as kids show up here. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I want to install a plugin. That way we have a contact form. So under plugins, we'll select installed plugins. Or you know what, instead of selecting install plugins, just click on add new. And under this page, scroll down a little, and where you find Jetpack, go ahead and install now. Once it's installed, just go ahead and click on activate. Now we have to connect our website to the WordPress.com site. On this blue button, just go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to the WordPress.com page. So if you're already logged in, it'll connect it automatically. But if you're not logged in, it'll ask you to sign in to WordPress.com. If you don't have an account, you just create an account. It's free. You just need an email and a username that you're going to create. And once you're logged in, you're going to be redirected to this page right here, where you're going to actually approve the connection. So just click on approve. And my site is now connected. So I'll go to the URL and I'll go back to my website, myallianceofmagym.com. And from here, let's go into the dashboard. And under Jetpack, we'll click settings. And I'm gonna remove a lot of the stuff we don't need. So I'm gonna deactivate the notifications. I'm also gonna deactivate JSON API. Under engagement, we'll keep site stats on, keep sharing on, deactivate publicize. We'll turn on related posts. Turn off Gravatar hover cards. Keep the sitemaps on. Everything else stays on. Now under security, keep protect on. And leave everything as is. For appearance, let's remove extra sidebar widgets. We don't need that. You can also remove this button right here, widget visibility. And custom CSS, we could leave that on. Now let's go to writing. This is what we're looking for right here, the contact form. Want to make sure that that's on. I'm going to turn off post by email, turn off beautiful math, turn off custom content types. And I'm going to turn off the short links also. And I'll turn off the shortcode embeds. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm going to set up my, under my pages. Let's go to all pages. And here's a sample page. I'm going to delete this. Just throw it away in the trash. I'll click on trash. Then I'll hit up here. I'll hit add new. And I'll name this free 30-day trial. And select publish. Now I'll click into the description box and I want to add my contact form. So to do that, just click on this button right here, add contact form. Now we're going to want the name, the email. Instead of the website, let's click on edit and then we'll select text right here and change website to phone number. And then click required. Make sure the required is checked and then save this field. For the comment box, I want to remove this. I don't need a comment. All I'm interested in is the name, email, and the phone number. So from here we'll go to email notifications, and this is where you'll type in your email. And the subject line, website sign up. And then I'll click save and go back to form builder. Alright, now that it's saved, I'll select add this form to my post. And I'm going to add some text. I'll hit return. Sign up now for your free 30-day trial. and then I'll select update. Now let's go back to the website and take a look at this. Alright, so the thing I'm missing is the connection to the pages, so I'm going to add pages right here. To do that, go back to the dashboard, and under appearance, select widgets, and we'll scroll down to where it says pages right here. Click on that, and then make sure the widget area is selected, and then click add widget. And here's the pages right here. I'm going to add that up to the top. And it should save automatically. Let's go ahead and take a look at that at the home page. Here we go. Free 30-day trial. Let's click on this page. And here's the form where they fill out their information. Again, you need all fields required. And I'm gonna switch these right here, so it looks a little bit better. So if you hover over the title and then click widgets, look, I'll click on the pages and drag it down under the search, and then we'll go back to the home page, and you see it switched up already.